Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. Thank you for clicking in and welcome if you're new. Today we're doing something a little bit different. It's not about hair because I went to the gym today and my hair is not looking its best. I mean, it could do worse, but we're not here for that today. We're doing something a little bit different. If you follow me on Instagram, I have an obsession with subscription boxes. I've been subscribed to quite a few for about like 2 years or so, you know, trying to like narrow it down, find which is the best one. And honestly, like I've not been able to move on from BoxyCharm. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. I have like all of the boxes. This month I have two of the same size. Now, one is the base one is the premium one. I want to do a kind of like a unboxing, and I don't know if you want to see me doing my makeup with them. I'm not the best at makeup. I mean, I love it, but I'm not like amazing at it anyways. But I spend way too much time on Facebook groups trying to see what did other people received. Before it used to be like a one standard like variation, and now they have multiple ones. So I love seeing what other people receive and what, you know, and comparing with what I received. So I don't know, maybe I thought you might want to see it as well. Or if you've been thinking about joining into a subscription and you kind of want to know what products do they send, I hope this helps you. Let me know if you want me to keep doing these unboxing videos. I might only do BoxyCharm because I'm trying to save money. But let me know if you want to see more of this every month, and if you want me to do my makeup with the things that I receive, or it's just fine to just show you what I'm receiving. I have two boxes. One is heavier than the other one. This one is a little bit heavier, so since they're the same size, I think this one is the base one, which I'm gonna start opening. And this one retails for $25 plus taxes, which here in Atlanta is like about $2.50, I think. So let's open it. I have to use my scissors because I don't have a box opener. So let's see. Okay. I already saw it. So first things first that I see, it's a Seattle, London. I have a lot of light because it's really dark here. Everyday backache. It's a setting powder, guys. I have like 8 setting powders, and I do have a lot of like shit. I broke it. I do have a lot of like oily skin, but I don't really use that much because I honestly like my day-to-day life, it's pretty like easy with the makeup. I don't need to do anything like that, you know, like requires like, oh my god, setting powder. Oh, I've been wanting to try. Yeah, I've been wanting to try this for so long. People like they supposed to love it. It's the Laura Geller blah blah blah. It's a Laura Geller Gilded Honey Illuminator in Baked Swirl. Guys, I was so obsessed for this. Like, I almost buy it in the shop. Let me show you the color. Yeah, I was so obsessed to try this. I am so happy. Oh, I'm just gonna give a little swatch. This is like gold. I'm living for this. Like, look at it. It's hard, but it's gold. It's really gold, and I love it. Oh, it's pretty. Next things, I really wanted. Okay, I've seen that Alamar had like some brushes as well. I got the Luxie Complete Sponge Set, the Baked Contour Detail. I mean, I guess this is pretty cool. That comes with like the little setting powder. I'm not huge of using, I use my hands like in everything pretty much, just because I feel like it's getting more in my skin. And with the sponges, you usually have to like pre-wet them, and honestly, like I'm always doing my makeup in a rush, so like I'm always late for something, so I never pre-wet my sponges, so I always forget, so I might as well just always get with my hands. But this is cool to have. I guess they have like the cool little like shapes of the sponges. If you can see, I'm not going to open them here because I don't want to make this video super long, but cool. Yay! Okay, so this is one of the most important, if not the most important things in the whole box. I really wanted this palette. It's the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. I really wanted it because, let me just show you right here. I have this one, which is the Sunset to Sunrise, and I love Iconic London as a brand. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. these are my colors. These are my colors. Let me just show you. Sorry, right here. Let me just, I'm sorry. It's really dark where I live and I have to get like this ring light, but you can see the whole ring right there. I'm so sorry. But like, look at the colors. Thumbs up if you want me to upgrade my, my filming equipment, because it's just like, I've been thinking about getting like more light, because guys, our apartment is so dark, and no matter how many like lamps I get, I mean, that's my husband, but I have a lamp right here, and I don't really have much space for more light, but it's just like, it always looks so dark. But yeah, I'm so excited with this palette, and I think honestly, like, this is like my favorite product that I've received in a long time. This is like the shades that I would wear, like warm, you know, like day to sleep. I love it. I'm happy to have it with the other one as well. I'm obsessed with that palette. They usually send these little cards with like the products and their prices. They didn't this time around, but I'm gonna find the prices when I edit the video. I'm gonna put them somewhere here. And last but not least is the Avio Skin and Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. So they're just cleansing wipes. Honestly, I'm not a fan of cleansing wipes, just because I like to cleanse with the DVC, I think it is, the oil, and that takes care. I don't like this. Like, these are maybe when I travel and when I'm too lazy and when I'm, you know, like, I don't want to do like the whole oil and double cleansing, but I have like my travel little oil, and I'm at full size. I love it. It's crazy because usually like all these things break me out, and that oil has been like a godsend. I mean, it's cool, it's cute, I appreciate it, but I'm the most excited from this one. And even though I don't need a new highlighter, I really wanted to try this one before. Okay, so I got 5 products. I'm gonna leave the price of the full box, like the retail price, somewhere around here, because I did not get a card. And I wanna know, I paid $21 for this box, plus taxes. But again, it retails for $25. I just got the promotion, the old promotion. And then let's just start with this box right here. This is the premium one. This one retails for $35, I believe, plus taxes, which was like $38 or something. Whew. I spend way too much money for somebody that doesn't have a job. But sorry, I'm so excited. So first things that came out, oh, this one did came with like a little price thing. First things that I see is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This lighting is not good, but yeah. Guys, adjust. Guys, Glow Recipe has been popping up on BoxyCharm for so long, and I don't know why my boxes, they never come. Like, I don't know why I haven't been, you know, there are different variations and I never get the Glow Recipe. I've been wanting to try that. Like, I really want to try the moisturizer and I haven't been able to get my hands on it. I don't want to pay full price, obviously, but I am so excited to try this because people are raving about Glow Recipe. Okay, so I just got the Chorus Guava Voyage Body Butter. Well, I mean, I'm not really a cream person. That's why I'm so dehydrated. My skin is so dry because I don't apply cream. But it's good. It's like a 93.9% natural content, which I mean, could do better, but no, but like it's pretty cool. I mean, it retails for $32, so that's awesome. Let me just smell it. I'm gonna open this because I want to try. Smells good. I like the guava scent on it. It's pretty good, and I might need it. My skin is so dry. I'm trying. It's just, if I would moisturize my skin as much as I moisturize my face, I'd be good. What I see next is the 24K Gold Foil Moisturizer by Fascia. Oh, it's in a little box. This one retails for $100. Wow, that's crazy. Okay guys, I actually had to leave for a little bit and go to my appointment at chiropractor. I came back and my eyelashes are all like sprinkled because you know like how they put you in the bed and they just crack you and touch. So yeah, I have to make the appointment today because I'm starting my job this week. I'm working at Glossier and I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I love Glossier. It's like a dream come true for me. But yeah, let's continue. So this cream, right, the $100 cream, I already said I'm interested about them. I have already my moisturizer that I love and that works for my skin. I don't really believe in that gold thing, but I'll give it a try. And now this hair is so weird. Like all my hair just like curl, and this one is right on that. I want to chop it like this. Because this one is from right here. I did have a lot of like really straight strands from here since I was like a little girl. Like all my even when my hair was not damaged by the heat, this hair right here were always straight. So weird. I'm so hairy. So I have my big long like patillas. I don't know how they call them in English, but in Spanish it's patillas. They come from all the way here and they are straight. Anyways, continuing what I see right now is these Carity Picante palette. It's a 21 warm and vibrant shadows. I believe there was a choice between this one and I think it's like a straighten iron or curtain iron, but I don't put heat to my hair at all, so I'm actually happy I got this eyeshadows. I do have a lot of eyeshadows now with the other, you know, but this is pretty. It kind of like looks like the palette that that doesn't have any mirror, by the way, but it looks like the palette that Jaclyn Hill is gonna release. It's very like pinks and oranges and yellows and pinks. Next thing is from one of my favorite brands ever. I'm obsessed with anything that Tarte puts out there. This is the Base Tape. It's a hydrating primer. It's a double duty beauty. Why does the packages are always so hard to open? I don't get it. Anyways, this is what it is. I think I have this one, the double duty beauty. I think it's the same one, right? I love this. I've been trying this for a while. I love the scent. It's a hydrating primer, so I do use it when I use my full coverage on foundations because they're really usually like I had or I bought a lot of like matte foundations, but now I'm trying to stay away from matte because I don't like how they make my face feel. Even though I do have really oily skin, I thought when I saw like the previews I would not be excited about it, but I'm really happy because I did try the sample sizes and I'm obsessed with it. So I'm happy to have the full size now when I'm looking for a more more full face of makeup. Last but not least is oh my god, I love this brand so much. I could never afford this blush in retail price, and I feel like that's the amazing thing about BoxyCharm is that it helps us try things that we never thought we could afford or even buy, you know. Just the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. It's an infused heat. Let me show you the shape. And it's retailing for $40 for a blush. Yeah, I would never be able to afford this. $40 for a blush. That's it, guys. So this one, $40. This one was $30. This one was $29, which I think I might give away. I'm not sure. I might give it to somebody else. This cream is $100, which I would never buy for it, but whatever. And then the Glow Recipe, which is my favorite product of the whole box, yeah, was $28. So oh, I forgot the chorus butter. Honestly, like even though I was the less excited about this cream, I really did need a cream for my ashy shoulders. I don't want to show them, like, well, I did moisturize today, but they're always like so dry. They're like really dry. And for my legs too, because they're so dry. So I'm excited to have this because it smells really good too. Again, that one was for $32. So I would not have buy a $32 body butter on my own cash. So I'm happy that I get to try that for free. I mean, not for free. That's why I tell my husband it's for free, but it's really for $40 pretty much a month. I'm really happy about this box. Let me know down below which of the boxes you like better. Let me know if you got the same products as I did, because I'd be super excited to know, just because, I don't know, I want to know if you like your box and what was your favorite product in your box. If you're subscribed to BoxyCharm, if you haven't, let me know, I want to know. And taking advantage that I'm filming this video with new products that I'm going to try and I'm excited to try, I want to say thank you to Goop for sending me these. This lighting is so bad, like you can even see it. For sending me these GOOPGLOW radiance pads. They have 5% glycolic acid and they're overnight pads. They're like light because they have another version that have a 15% of fruit extracts, and they're pretty like I've used twice of those. You can use them once a week and they're pretty good. Like they have a slight tingling sensation, which I love, and I feel like it's working. They smell pretty good too. I like it a lot. I know like Goop has such a controversy brand. I am one of the person that really like Gwyneth Paltrow. I like Goop Labs on Netflix. I watch it all the time, so I'm excited to try it. I wish they had sent me the vagina candle. That's like a huge controversy, but it's like $70. But I just want to say thank you. I'm gonna leave the link down below in case you want to check it out. Also, Good Chemistry sent me all of these perfumes with essential oils. Guys, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. So if you don't know, I used to work at a perfume store for 6 months. I love perfumes. I have my favorite perfume things, but usually I go, since usually most of them are expensive, I kind of like have 3 or 4, and I feel like they're too strong for daytime wearing. And Good Chemistry was nice enough to send me 4 of their collection. They are amazing, guys. Like my favorite, like right off the bat, was the Daydreamer. This one has sea salt, juicy pineapple, and cashmere woods. My husband loved it too. Then I'm obsessed with Queen Bee as well. It's like a blackcurrant, peony, and amber. I like coconut so much. It's like more like a manly, like a muskier scent. It's bergamot, coconut, and bamboo, so it's really earthy and really like cool, like chill. And then there's the Firecracker that has starfruit, lotus, and vetiver, which I really like too. But honestly, like there's nothing like the Daydreamer. It's my favorite. Like it's so good, and they stay so long. Because if you don't know, the essential oils, they like mix with your own body scent, and I'm obsessed. They were also kind enough to leave me a coupon code for you guys. If you're interested and you want a 15% off, I'll link it down below. Again, they're pretty good, and I feel like these are perfect for like for when you want to smell good but you don't want to be overempowering, or you don't want to be like, oh my god, you know, like people turn heads. Sometimes you just want to have a scent, a good scent, but not like being the center of attention. And I feel like I'm struggling a lot with my perfumes because they're very strong, and I feel like these are perfect. So if you're interested or you want to know more about Good Chemistry, they have a lot of different scents and a lot of different, and they're actually fairly good price. I think each one retails for $25, and you as well have my 15% coupon down below. I hope you check them out. They're pretty good, and I truly like, I am obsessed. Like I am obsessed with this one. I'm gonna use it every day. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different from the hair videos we've been doing. I have a problem with subscription boxes. And that's it. I'll see you next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please click on that subscribe button. We're so close to 5,000. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. It's awesome. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful night. I'm making arroz con pollo for my husband, so I'm like making sure that my arroz doesn't burn. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful night, and I'll see you next time. Bye.